Hillcrest has endured years of construction since 2022. Multiple large-scale projects, approved over the last several years, began at the same time, creating widespread and overlapping construction throughout the neighborhood. Here, at the corner of 5th and Pennsylvania, businesses had already weathered more than 3 years of an impactful neighboring project. This holiday season, both new and established businesses were relying on predictable seasonal increases to recover from construction-related losses.
I feel like this is our year to really pay off because a lot of the construction projects are being completed, apartment buildings are being completed, and people are going to start moving in.
Then, on December 1st, without communication or recent notice, a fence more than 700 feet long was erected, hiding an entire block of businesses to begin a city storm drain project. K-rails and a double fence line now make the businesses appear inaccessible.
The major problem is that all the work was unannounced. They just came and started building the whole work site. And that created a lot of problems, not only for our customers, but also for all the people that collaborate with all the businesses. Imagine like delivery, DoorDash, Uber. I mean, I had to really make up a way for them to let them understand where exactly I am, taking pictures, and because they couldn't find us.
12 businesses were immediately affected. Even a newly opened restaurant proceeded with its long-planned grand opening, only to find itself completely hidden from street view.
A day before opening, so the city started construction here for next 1 year. It's take like 3 to 4 months, start remodeling everything, and then it's happened. And nobody see the signs. Uber, DoorDash, GrabHub, and they cancel our orders because they can't find a parking, and it's not visible to our restaurant to see the front door because of they put a fence. I need a good solution for as soon as possible.
Access, visibility, and parking are now practically non-existent at the start of the holiday season. There is no ADA drop-off, no signage indicating businesses are open, and the street is being used as a construction staging area, storing materials and equipment. What is standard mitigation for projects of this scale is section-by-section construction. This approach still creates inconvenience, but it preserves partial visibility, access, and parking during extended construction periods. Instead, the entire block was closed at once.
They didn't give us any warning in this project. They start doing it. After 1 week they were doing it, they came and they told us we're going to do these things. But this one in the time of New Year, Christmas, January, it really is killing our business because they said they are going to stay here until next October.
Business owners called emergency meetings with the city and requested reasonable mitigation measures commonly used on both private and city projects. They asked for a coordinated mitigation plan to keep businesses accessible during construction.
All we're trying to figure out is why we got no warning that this project was coming and why there was no mitigation on how to keep businesses alive during this process. What we're trying to do is figure out a solution to maybe work piece by piece down the street so that parking and visibility isn't completely gone during this project.
Right now, it looks like a closed and dangerous work zone. No action was taken by the city to help.
This is totally unacceptable. I do have my clients that manage to come, but this is killing us during this time of the year and without any notification. And when you see this, how can people come? They have absolutely messed up the whole business in this block that we have. Somebody should be taking care of this.
The city later acknowledged, in a public meeting, that the rollout was not handled properly. Yet the consequences remain. Among the city's plans for growth and development, the businesses that invested their time, money, and livelihoods into building this corner must not be abandoned.
I chose Hillcrest because I like the neighborhood and this is a very nice community.
I'm just asking the public, the neighbors, come and support us. Without their support, we are nothing.
We are going to put the same heart and energy into Divo Diva as always, and I just rally around the people. Please come support this business, especially the holidays.
I want to say, so aside all what's going on, Divo Diva is still here. We always try to do our best, and we invite everybody to come, join us, supporting us and all the businesses in this block from Brooks to Pennsylvania on Fifth Avenue, Fifth and Penn. We see here and offering the best we can to our customer.
In closing, city infrastructure cannot continue to destroy the very small businesses that make San Diego a place worth living. Bill Weiss, reporting from Hillcrest, California.